to him and he went, "Are you with your dad?" And I said, "No, my son." I said, "No, I'm with my boyfriend." Oops. He went, "Oh dear." Oops. And we had a lovely conversation. It was really nice. And excuse me. That was the first. I don't know what's happening to me. Did you put some tape in here?
Date rape.
Oh yes. Lovely. Anyway, and what's this doing here? I'll just put it back. Anyway. Oops. And what the fuck is going on? Oops. And Stop it! What are you doing? Oops, what are you doing? It's all your fault! Yeah, so basically, and that was the first time, and then and the second time. Where did I meet him the second time? Oh yes, in his restaurant in Royal Chelsea Hospital Road. Yes, in Aubergine.
Did he remember you?
No. My earring's falling out. Oops. And you hold that, Peter. And we went there not too long after I met him. Oops. And he didn't remember me. I was really disappointed. And we spent about 400 quid in there. Oops. I'm sorry. And he didn't even make our pigeon. I was really disappointed.
He didn't even make what?
My pigeon.
Your pigeon?
Pigeon pie.
Yeah.
Pigeon?
Yeah.
Oh!
You ate pigeon?
Yeah.
Please don't come out to